Dear friends, we present to you a set of 3 indicators on TradingView for cryptocurrency arbitrage and spread monitoring. In fact, these indicators are suitable not only for cryptocurrencies, but also for monitoring spreads on any assets available on TradingView. We developed them primarily for ourselves, for arbitrage in the cryptocurrency market. But let's take it step by step. Each of the indicators allows you to track changes in the spread for the selected trading pair. Such a pair can be any cryptocurrency on the spot or futures market, which allows you to find the spread between exchanges for the same asset or between the spot price and the futures price. Let's add the first indicator. In TradingView, by clicking on the Indicators tab, enter the name Arbitrage Spread. Choose the first version. For convenience, we will move the indicator to the main window and disable the display of the main price chart. The first indicator is the lightest in terms of load and allows you to monitor one trading pair. Let's switch to a smaller time frame. This will increase the accuracy of the indicator and calculations will be higher. The indicator shows the spread chart. If the value is negative, when the spread is below zero, the price on the first exchange is lower than on the second. That is, we need to buy on the first exchange and sell on the second. Conversely, a positive value indicates the opposite. The indicator table displays the exchange and price for buying, and the exchange and the price for selling. At the top, the selected asset and the current spread value. At the bottom, a counter for the number of arbitrage situations with the desired spread over 3 time periods. By default, the selected periods are 5 minutes, 1 hour and 12 hours. In the indicator settings, a trading pair is set for which the spread will be calculated. To do this, just click on the ticker input field and enter the name of the asset, as is typically done on TradingView. For example, in the first field, let's choose the Pulse coin on the OKEX exchange. In the second, also Pulse, but on the KuCoin exchange. The indicator immediately calculated the spread based on historical data, showed the current spread and the number of arbitrage situations. As we can see, right now the particular combination with the Pulse coin and between the selected exchanges is not very suitable for arbitration. Just below is the setting of the signal threshold level of the spread, which is interesting to us. When the spread value reaches this level, the indicator will highlight this moment and send you an alert if it has been configured in TradingView from this indicator. Next, you can set up 2 additional threshold levels that affect the visual representation of the spread chart and the display of extreme values on the chart. If desired, you can adjust them to your preferences or disable them. In the settings of the arbitrage counter, you can select 3 periods for which the number of situations will be calculated when the spread exceeded the signal threshold value that was set in the first point of the indicator settings. The duration of each period can be set from 5 minutes to a day. The second indicator. We also type arbitration spread in the search, but this time we will choose a second version. This version is similar to the first one, but allows you to track not just 1, but 3 arbitrage pairs at the same time. This is super convenient when you regularly arbitrate approximately the same bundles, or at the moment you selected several bundles and want to control how each of them behaved earlier and what is happening on them right now in real time. The settings of this indicator are the same as the first one, but with the ability to add 2 more pairs for tracking. If the spread charts have a large amplitude and overlap each other, the distance between them can be increased using the distance between charts setting. The third indicator is a kind of dashboard that allows you to track 12 pairs at the same time. The settings are still the same. For each trading pair added to the indicator, an alert will be sent when the specified signal threshold spread level is exceeded. Also, a counter of arbitration situations for 3 periods is available for each pair. If there are too many alerts coming from the indicator and TradingView starts swearing, select the first item once per bar in the alert frequency settings. For example, if you have a 1-minute time frame selected, alerts will come no more than once per minute for each individual pair. This is a default setting. If you choose the second option, the number of alerts is unlimited, but if there are too many of them, TradingView can stop sending them. Also, don't forget, in order for the new indicator settings to be applied, you must remove the old alert from the indicator and set up a new one. The newly added alert will work with the new indicator settings. An excellent combination is the use of two indicators at the same time. For example, the first and third versions, or the second and third versions. So, on a large multi-pair indicator, you can monitor the overall picture for a variety of assets, and on the version with the chart, you can see a more detailed picture for the most interesting selected pairs. If desired, you can install several instances of the multi-pair indicator and track not just 12, but already 24, 36 or 48 pairs. Let's show an example of the algorithm of work. First, you need to find a bundle that meets the desired spread parameters. You can do this yourself, sequentially going through the entire market, or you can use the arby.trade arbitrage search service. Let's use the service. We find arbitration situations on the service's website or in its Telegram bot. Let's check the first one with the Move coin. The spread on this coin is now between exchanges Gate and MX. Alright, as we can see, the spread is already larger than at the time this pair was discovered by the service. Let's look at another pair with the Fact coin, buying on MX, selling on CoinEx. This bundle is older, and the spread on it has already gone into the area of values that are not interesting to us. However, we see that spreads on this bundle regularly occur during the current day, and with good values. Let's use the TradingView tool to measure the lifetime of a bundle. As we can see, the arbitration situation persisted for 40 minutes. This means that it was possible to make several rounds of arbitrage on this coin, between MEX and CoinEx, and earn good profit. Let's see something else. The TED coin, buying on MEX, selling on BitGet. The current spread is about 6%. Great! Let's add a bundle to the indicator. We see that now spread is even a little more. There is some volatility, but at the moment the bundle is actual. We also see that before that there was an arbitration situation at the beginning of the last hour. Let's see how long the bundle lived. Last time the bundle remained actual for half an hour. Speed is important for arbitrage trading, so it is more important to work out the trade as quickly as possible. If the lifetime of the bundle allows, you can perform several rounds and work out the same bundle several times, and indicators will allow you to track how the selected bundle behaved over time, when the volatility of the spread is on it now, and assets its prospects for the future. In the description of this video there are links to all these indicators, a review article on them, and the arbitration service itself. Use it and earn money. Profit for everyone.